back to my channel. So today we're talking about this FAB, also known as First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Collagen cream that I have right here. So for those of you guys who have used First Aid Beauty products, you guys would know like this is like their typical packaging, like especially like the top right here, like you know this is like a First Aid Beauty product. All right, so on this side right here we have a description about the product, and then on this side right here we have the directions on how to use it, and we also have the ingredients listed, and then on the final side right here we also have a description about the product, but it is like in a different language. All right, so when you open this up and take this out, this is what it looks like. So it's actually, I would say, pretty much like a replica of what is like on the packaging right here, just in case if you do like throw this box away, which I typically usually do. All right, so when you open this up, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's like just like a regular clear cream, as you guys can see, and this is a glass container, which, you know, I really enjoy using glass containers. It has really some good heavy weight to it. All right, so as you guys can see, this is the color is white, and as for texture, I would definitely say it is a bit, I want to say bouncy, but it's not that bouncy. Like it's kind of like very like light, creamy, like when you apply it on the skin, like it just absorbs into the skin really fast, very well, which I absolutely love. And because this is like a collagen cream, I typically only use this at night. You could use it in the morning and at night, but for personal preference, I just like to use it at night, because especially during nighttime is when your skin actually like repairs itself. All right, so I have been using this for over 1 month now, and I have to say I absolutely love it, because for those of you guys who know, or for those who don't know, I have combination skin. So I have sensitive and combination skin, and depending on certain products, like it can really like damage my skin, and this one just works really well. And for those of you guys who have tried the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, that one is also really good. I typically use that like for the morning time, so this one is strictly for like the nighttime. So as I mentioned, you know, it will help repair your skin, make it more beautiful and more glowy. So I would have to say, as for this collagen cream right here, it is very expensive, it is very pricey, but it works really well for me. And the way that how I use is I actually take a Q-tip, I will take some out, and then I'll apply it on my face. You actually don't need a lot, because a little bit does go a long way. And also please do not forget your neck. Your neck is also very important too. You don't necessarily have to use this on your neck. What I usually use, I use the Ultra Repair Cream on my neck, because that one's a little bit more affordable. So if any of you guys who think that you do not need collagen, let me tell you, especially as you get older, you will need collagen, like, because your skin does not produce enough, especially like after like the age of 25. That's what I noticed. My skin, it was just like going downhill. So collagen will actually help make your skin look and feel like very glowy. So for you guys who have tried this product, you know, let me know, what do you guys think? You guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Or what do you guys think of like the First Aid Beauty line? Do you guys have any favorite products, or like least favorite products? I would actually love to hear that. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I should catch you guys later. Bye.